Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will start our lecture number 11. But before that, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So in today's lecture, we will study the example of the diode models. So let's start the lecture. Okay, so now first we will read out the problem statements and then we will see what we have to find out. So part A says that determine the forward voltage and forward current for the diode in each of the diode models. Also find the voltage across the limiting resistor in each case. Assume that R prime D is equals to 10 ohms at the determined value of forward current. Okay, so now we will see what we have to find out and what we are given in this problem statement. So it is very clear that we have to find the forward voltage and forward current values for all the three diode models, okay? And also we have to find the voltage across the limiting resistor which we studied, which was R L limit, okay? In each of the case. And we are given that the R prime D, which is the small internal reverse resistance, that is equals to 10 ohms at determined value of forward current. It means that when we have determined the value of forward current, then there we will assume that the R prime D is equals to 10 ohms. प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में हम डायोड मॉडल्स को अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हैं और हर डायोड मॉडल को जब हमने स्टडी किया था तो हमने ये देखा था कि हर बार हम लोग उनके फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेजेस और फॉरवर्ड करंट की वैल्यूज़ को फाइंड आउट करते हैं और हमने सर्किट में से उनके फॉर्मूलाज को डिराइव किया था. अब वो फॉर्मूलाज हम इस न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हम सारे फॉर्मूलाज को एक साथ लिख लेते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Okay, so now here are all the formulas for the forward voltage and forward current for all the three diode models. So अब हम देखते हैं कि डायोड मॉडल के क्या फॉर्मूलाज हैं फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज और करंट के लिए. आइडियल डायोड के लिए फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज 0 होता है, प्रैक्टिकल के लिए 0.7 होता है और कंप्लीट के लिए 0.7 प्लस IF इंटू आर प्राइम डी. ठीक है. और आइडियल डायोड के लिए फॉरवर्ड करंट जो होता है वो होता है V बायस डिवाइडेड बाय R लिमिट. प्रैक्टिकल डायोड के लिए V बायस माइनस VF ओवर R लिमिट और कंप्लीट डायोड के लिए V बायस माइनस 0.7 डिवाइडेड बाय R लिमिट प्लस R प्राइम डी. ये फॉर्मूलाज आप लोग नोट कर लें और इनको अच्छे से याद कर लें. प्रैक्टिकल डायोड मॉडल में VF की वैल्यू हम 0.7 यहाँ पर पुट कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, तो ये फॉर्मूलाज कहाँ से डिराइव हुए हैं? अगर आप लोगों को इनकी डेरिवेशन देखनी है और आप लोगों को जानना है कि ये फॉर्मूलाज कहाँ से आए हैं तो आप लोग प्रीवियस वीडियोस देख सकते हैं जिनमें सब फॉर्मूलाज को डिराइव किया गया है. तो अब हम प्रॉब्लम को स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो पार्ट ए में हमने बेसिकली करना क्या है, हमें फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज और फॉरवर्ड करंट की तीनों डायोड मॉडल्स के लिए वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करनी है. उसके अलावा हमें वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द लिमिटिंग रजिस्टर विच इज़ VR लिमिट फाइंड करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग आइडियल डायोड मॉडल के लिए फॉरवर्ड वोल्टेज और फॉरवर्ड करंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं, देन प्रैक्टिकल मॉडल के लिए एंड देन कंप्लीट मॉडल के लिए. As you know that the forward voltage for ideal diode model is 0, so we will find the forward current from the formula V bias divided by R limit. So in this figure, we are given with the value of V bias that is 10 volts and also the value of R limit which is 1.0 k ohms. So we will substitute these values into the given formula. So we will divide 10 by 1 kilo ohms. So the answer will be 10 milliamperes. So the formula for VR limit is IF into R limit. As we determine the value of IS, so we will substitute in the formula and we will multiply 10 milliamperes into 1 k ohms and then you can find the answer. So now we will solve for the practical model. As we know that the VF is 0.7 in case of practical model, so we will find the value of IF from the formula. We will substitute the value of V bias and VF voltage and R limit into this formula and you can get the answer. So likewise you will find the value of VR limit and I hope so you can easily calculate these values, and if you have any problem you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so from the formulas of the complete diode model we get to know that we cannot find the value of Vf until we don't know the value of If. So first of all, we will find the value of If from the given formula. And in this case, R prime D is given, which is equals to 10 ohms. So when we will get the value of If, we will substitute in the Vf formula. And easily we can also find the value of VR limit. Okay, now we will solve the part B of the given problem. So part B says that determine the reverse voltage and reverse current for the diode for each of the diode models. Also find the voltage across the limiting resistor in each case. So it is almost similar to the previous case, but in this case we have to find the reverse voltage and reverse current. Okay, and another thing here is that we have to assume that the reverse current is 1 microamperes. Okay, so now first of all we will see the formulas for the ideal diode model, practical and complete diode model for reverse voltage and reverse current. Okay. In case of the ideal diode model, the reverse current is 0 and the reverse voltage is equals to V bias, and we can see the figure we are given with the value of V bias, that is 5 volts. So the value of reverse voltage is 5 volts. Okay. So now we can easily find the value of VR limit. VR limit will be IR into R limit. So the value of IR is 0. So value of VR limit will also be 0. So in case of practical diode model, the IR value is 0, as we know that the reverse current is small, so we can neglect it. And VR is equals to V bias, so VR will be the 5 volts. Okay, and also the VR limit will be 0 in this case. So the value of IR is given, which is equals to 1 microampere. Okay, so the value of IR is equals to 1 microamperes. We can easily find the value of VR limit by substituting the value of IR, which is 1 microampere, into 1 k ohms as given in the figure. So we find the value of VR limit. So the formula for VR is equals to V bias minus VR limit. So we will subtract the value of VR limit from 5 volts, which is given in the figure. So after substituting these all values, you can easily find the answer. So this question is very important. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Do solve these values and let me know if there is any confusion. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel and Instagram page, and stay tuned for more content.